today we're going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging for you. Yay, so exciting. Can't wait to see what is inside. This is actually the January Ipsy bag that I have here today. Cut it open. Okay, so here we go. Voila! It's this beautiful blue and white color. And then it has pink on the side and on the top. All right, here we go. And as always, they throw in these little cards. Different things like new features, new ways to personalize pics, more beauty brands insider tips and techniques, stuff like that. Okay, so let's get into the Ipsy bag. And first up is we have this Ella Eden London. Is that how you pronounce it? And it looks like eyeshadow. That's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go with that it's eyeshadow. Oh, package is sealed. There we go. You guys can see, and this is it here. Next in the little glam bag, we have Leave It In Conditioner. So, Pure Brazilian Miracle. So yeah, it's leave-in conditioner with keratin. For gorgeous, silky, smooth hair, color-safe UV protection. See now? It smells. I don't know if it's going to come out all liquidy or if it ever comes out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this smells alright. It smells nice. So that's this. And this is the front of the container for the eyeshadow. Next in the bag we have a brush. Ooh, this is definitely one of the best brushes I've received so far. And it seems like the final product, I think, yeah, final product. It's like lip gloss. It's like see-through lip gloss. It has a very light blue tinge to lip gloss. Oh my goodness, this smells, guys, this smells incredible. Oh, I'm gonna be using this. It smells really, really good, and it's called Fluid. And it's Elsewhere. But yeah, it's called Fluid. I don't know, it says on the bottom Elsewhere. I don't know if that's the type it is. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells deadly. Not a whole lot in it, so I'm gonna have to savor this. But yeah, guys, these are the products I received in this month's glam bag. I feel like I'm missing one. I could be wrong, but I think I'm missing one product. If that's the case... Oh, it's still in the bag. This bag. It's in this one. That's why I was like, I'm pretty sure I normally always get 5 products. And here we go. It's a coloring pencil, an eye crayon. There's the box. I'm going to open it. Ooh, I'm so excited. I was like, 5 products? And then I looked again. I was like, wait, no. And then, yeah, sure enough. Get out of the pocket. There we go. And here it is here, guys. Ooh. Oh, it's like a black. You see it? And I like black. Right now I have blue eyeshadow on right now, but, or eyeliner, not eyeshadow, sorry. It's like, oh no, according to the back here, it's like a very like dark brown. Oh yeah, it is too. It's a dark brown. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. So it's not black. It's just the tip on it is really, really dark. Yeah, that's everything I received in this month's Ipsy bags. If you guys wish for me to continue this subscription service, put it down below, because as of right now, I think I'm going to pull away from this one and try a different one. If you guys have any suggestions of other beauty I cannot speak here today. Any other beauty subscription boxes or bags, let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely give them a try and see what they're all about. Have a great day, guys. See you again tomorrow, and hopefully you watch, subscribe, and check out our other vids.